Hello everyone, I am Marie from the L'Oréal Professional team, and today I am with Elisa from our labs.
Hi.
And with Jonathan, our internal hair pro from our development team.
Hello.
Let's present you the new scientific breakthrough from L'Oréal Professional for damaged hair, Absolut Repair Molecular, and deep dive with you in its conception and disruptive science. But first, let's go back to the basics. What is damaged hair? The first kind of damage is damage at the surface level, leading to fiber roughness and dryness issue. For this kind of damage, hair needs repair with nutrition. And for that, we have in the L'Oréal Professional portfolio the Absolut Repair range. But there is a second kind of damage, which is damage at the inner level of the fiber, the molecular level, leading to elasticity issues, fiber weakness, lack of movement. Hair is lifeless. If not treated, this damage can become irreversible. To reverse it, L'Oréal Advanced Research decoded damaged hair and discovered for the first time how to repair hair at the molecular level.
To understand how we did it, let's deep dive into the structure of a hair fiber. Hair is made of an external envelope, the cuticle, that protects the core of the fiber. The core, called the cortex, is responsible of its structure and strength. It is composed of a matrix, itself made of keratinolysis. And we went even deeper into the fiber to analyze the molecular structure composing keratins, the peptides, made of amino acids and bonds that hold them together. When hair is damaged, they are degraded, and the hair molecular structure is compromised. But most peptides are too big to be injected into the fiber, making hair damage almost irreversible. For the first time, L'Oréal Advanced Research achieved to decompose peptides to inject their component, peptide bonders and 5 amino acids, separately into the fiber. Once inside, they reform and rebuild the molecular structure of the hair.
With Absolut Repair Molecular, hair is stronger with its elasticity and movement restored. Now, let's deep dive into this new range for molecular repair, composed of 4 disruptive formulas. The first step is the concentrated pretreatment, a pro-only and patented gesture concentrated with 3% peptide bonder.
Indeed, Marie, the pre-treatment deeply penetrates and refills the hair molecular structure with long-lasting efficacy.
It brings instant fiber transformation with high detangling properties and restores the strength and the elasticity of the hair. The second step is a shampoo, a patented tech that is sulfate-free. This one has a very luxurious texture that cleanses, detangles hair, and delivers a high level of care to the fiber.
The third step is the Rinse Off Serum, a disruptive and highly concentrated galenic inspired by ultra-potent skincare serums that goes way beyond regular repair mask.
This new tech concentrated with 2% peptides bonder deeply penetrates the fiber to rebuild its molecular structure with no superficial coating. It restores its strength, elasticity, and movement for stronger, healthy-looking, and flowing hair.
More than surface repair, it is inner molecular repair.
It brings smoothness to the fiber as well as protection against external aggression, with a natural touch. It has a heat protection up to 230 degrees. We tested more than 15 different formulas and we only selected the most disruptive and performing ones.
And this range is truly unique.
Because we don't just beautify the hair, we bring a new structure, a new strength, without compromising on suppleness and movement.
It is impressive for something that is made for repair to be that lightweight, while bringing such a deep molecular repair.
I'm in love.
I'm in love.
I'm in love.
I think we all are.